Welcome to 83 Sherwood Road in Asheville, North Carolina. This 3,708 square foot home features 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and long-range mountain views. Situated on a 0.54 acre parcel, this home enjoys a private wooded setting just minutes from downtown Asheville. The Kenilworth neighborhood is one of the area's most established, full of lovingly maintained homes with easy access to shopping, restaurants, and healthcare. Completed in late 2023, the home is an entertainer's dream. The open floor plan combines the kitchen, dining, and living rooms into one seamless space. The kitchen is bright and airy with gleaming countertops and stainless steel appliances. The dramatic light fixtures are eye-catching and add to the high-end feel of the space. If you're enjoying this tour, please let us know by subscribing to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. New subscribers truly make our day. The expansive deck runs the full length of the home and creates a private retreat for morning coffee or evening dinners all summer long. The primary bedroom is spacious with a walk-in closet and direct access to the deck. The spa-like primary bath creates a calm environment for a relaxed start to the day and a peaceful wind down in the evening. Downstairs, the basement level is a blank canvas ready for your imagination and your needs. A second living area, a game room, home gym, office space, or hobby room. The large main room opens onto the lower covered deck, which enjoys the same wooded views as above. There's a second laundry room on this level and large bedrooms, making it a perfect fit for older children or long-term guests. The lower level shared bath is essentially a second primary bath, with dual sinks and tons of counter space. We hope you've enjoyed this tour of 83 Sherwood Road in Asheville. If you would like to see more Western North Carolina home tours, please subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up if you haven't already. Salt Realty is a boutique, full-service real estate agency based in Asheville, North Carolina. Exceeding expectations is not just their tagline, it is their goal for each and every client. The team of professionals at Salt Realty welcome the opportunity to assist you, whether buying or selling in North Carolina or anywhere in the United States.